Hi there, this is Julia Malloy, business expert for the design industry. How are you, my friends? I am straight into number 13 in our 20 days to get organized. And today we're talking about financial reports, the executive reports that you need at the end of every month, or as I said in the last section in day 12, you're actually receiving last month's report within 3 days or so of the new month. And these are things that should automatically show up on your desk. And I have this whole list here for you. It's not rocket science. It's probably something that's a part of your procedure already, but I've just kind of cleaned it up and made it official. And you can add it, just download it out of my shop, juliamalloy.com shop. And then you can implement it with your business manager or your bookkeeper. It's probably your business manager or office manager, I should say, or your admin expediter. In certain systems, I know Studio Designer makes this easy, Design Docs makes this easy, so it's not really something that you have to have an accounting degree to pull out of, print out this report. If you're using another system or using QuickBooks, then it probably is going to be your bookkeeper. Okay. So definitely weekly, you need your project worksheet as needed. So project worksheet, again, that's more specific to Studio Designer, but it lists everything that's going on with all of your active projects, which is really important for you, staying in control of everything without having to do everything again, right? And then the beginning of every month, for last month, you need your balance sheet, client retainers, client deposits, your trial balance, your income statement, accounts payable, work in progress. And I prefer to have those not only printed out from your software, but also to have them imported into an Excel spreadsheet that is created specifically for you, that converts these stats into an Excel spreadsheet with graphs. We are visual creatures. It's so much easier to absorb and process the information if it is in a graphical format. So I have one in our business blueprint, but most bookkeepers know how to do that. It's not really that hard to do in Excel, but you need some graphs so you can see historical data alongside this month's data, so that it has meaning, and it is a way for you to actually navigate your firm. That's the whole reason you're getting these on your desks, okay? The month's end, you need your your employee timesheets. So I want to see a printout, and Studio Designer, there's a lot of different ways you can print that out, but mainly you're looking for trends in performance for individuals, like how long they're spending doing your sourcing, or how much of their work is non-billable or admin versus billable for your design team. Also, you can look and see how your existing projects are meeting your expectations in terms of how much time you're putting into them to this point. Design Docs, by the way, does a really good job of this. I just took a tour with Dean, and it was pretty impressive. So you can set up metrics for each kind of portion of your project, and those estimates of how much time you want, and then your actuals, so you can see if you're on track in terms of how much time you're spending on each project. Pretty brilliant. But you need that information. So you can navigate, and you can say, hey, why is Joe spending so much more time sourcing than Sally? And why are we, triple what our estimates were for the Smith project so far? You need to be seeing these things as they're happening, so you can course correct or mitigate any problems, resolve any problems that are happening maybe behind the scenes, okay? I want to see project profit analysis. Studio Designer does that, and it's just simple, easy report. It's called Project Worksheet Profit Report. So it's my favorite one. Should be yours too. And your sales tax report. Again, Studio Designer does that in a click of a button. It tracks it all for you real time. So, but with that package, it helps you to kind of see trends, especially your Excel spreadsheet, kind of showing historical data next to your existing, your newest set of data, so you can see what's happening in your firm. And this will help you to be a better CEO and actually be running your business like a boss, right? So anyway, this is what I have to say on financial executive reports. It should be pushed to you. It just should be part of the standard protocol, so that it is something you should never have to ask for. It is just on your desk waiting the third day, business day preferably, of the new month for all of the data for last month. Okay? So that's what I have to say on that. I will see you tomorrow for day 14, and in the meantime, you know what to do. Be bold. Yes, you got it. You guys are bold. God, I love you guys. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.